Hi student, today I will see the third point in chapter number 3, queries form report in MS Access. Working with the reports. Creating reports, there are two types, report command and report wizards. When we click on the report, directly report will come there. Now we'll see the report wizards. Student, keep in your mind when we'll create a report, previously table very important parts. Now click on the report. There are different type of reports is there. When click on the report, directly command report will present, directly will come in your window. Now we'll see properly here. When I will click on the report, means that is the command report, directly report came here. Means how many field available in the table, that all field will represent on the report. Report means when we will take out the printout of something paper, that is the report. For example, scholarship form, when I will fill the scholarship form, I want report, means printout I will take about that forms. Now see report wizards. When I will click on the report wizards, then dialog box will appear, table queries. From there I will select the table, office data, and from there available field and selected field is there. From available field, how much field I want, that I will take in the selected field with help of greater than symbol. There are two types of greater than symbol is there. One single for single field and double means all field will take together. I will take one field. Now see ID, name, last name, address, city, phone number, email ID, this all everything I took with the help of a greater than symbol. Now I will click on the next option. Then group labels is there. That group label I will select which type of group label you want. Priority first, which one you want, then you take. Then afterwards you click on the next button. Now see ID, name, last name, address, city, phone number, these are the different type of fields. And sequence group level, that I will select it and I will click on the next button. That time all field will come there. These all fields you want, for example ID in ascending order or descending order, that also possible with the help of a report. On the report, see I took the name and I will keep ascending order. Then I will select the second field. I click on next button. Then afterwards you select the layout. Three layouts is there: stepped, book and outline, and orientation, portrait and landscape. Which orientation you want, that you select. Portable means vertical and landscape means horizontal. Then afterwards all the settings I will click on the next button. See here one message also gave, adjust the field. Now I selected here style, means which type of style, background style you want, that you select. See now I selected here office. See properly, different colors also will appear when you creating the report. Then afterwards I will click on the modify the report designing view, and then afterwards I click on the finish button. Now see here name also gave about that report. You want to change the name also, then also possible. See afterwards report your ready. That is the report is very important part. because of each and every form will create, query create, table create that you want in the printed format and tabular format in the good format. That's reason this report concept is a very important. Now see that table report I will open in the design view, and some changes I want. See here row height I decreased. Page header, in the page header all different type of field is there, and in the page footer different type of records is there. I want to change the size of text, and I will manage the space on the report, then also possible with the help of resizing the concept. Now see I did the all settings and some changes I did here, and then I want to see the actual report, then I will click on the view, print view. See properly, that is the print view. City, ID, last name, address, phone number and email ID, that all came in a sequence wise. In the Agra, how many student is there? There are different type of cities student belonging from there. That's reason city wise student I took here. Again some changes I will do. The city size I will decrease. ID and name I want a space, then I will click there. I did here bold and I change the size also. You want to change the size of text, then also possible with the help of a bold, italic, underline, font size, color. Suppose photo will not seeing the properly, then increase the width of that column. See here I decrease the width of column, means suppose phone number will not fit properly. A report is very important concept. When we'll show to the any one of the people will attract with the help of that reports. That is a very important concept. Means people will understand properly what wrote on the paper with the help of report. See here on the table also I will open that table in design view. Something changes I will do because of I want one report button. That's reason I will take one next button from the menu, command button wizards. Now see from the table I will click on the next button, then which text want on that button, then you write there, and then see the preview properly. I took the preview the reports on the form. See I will run that form. I will change the report, print report. I will save the all information, then I will view, then see properly that is your form, and when I will click print report, then automatically report will generate. That is the simple concept is there. Everyone do practice on the computer. Suppose those student computer is not there, then on the mobile also you download the Microsoft Access. Which application you want to learn, then also possible there. Microsoft Word is there,